Well, good morning. Temperature rise to unexpected highs. So, yeah, time to let out the dog.
Stars over Amsterdam.
At the Praathuis. Yeah. Well, that was good. Time to check downtown. Well, made it to Dam Square. World peace is possible, the banner says. And they also put out a tent. Is this a new occupied? Well, the job agency left and now there's a Swarovski opening there. What do you mean, crisis? Coffee company, yeah. Oh, that little attention whore. All the way across the terrace. Ooh, whipped cream, Chibi. 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 Chibi, check it out. Hey. Whipped cream, Chibi. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Oh, nom 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 nom. Well, that was good, right? Frozen Dabino for the effing win. Cheers. It's getting too chilly out, so we're taking a tram back towards HQ.
Ga je niet weer op de telefoon? Dit is voor mij toch? Ja. Stop gewoon in de tas.
Not many people in this tram. But yeah, it's still early of course. And she is just enjoying herself. What the fuck? I saw some people trying to move this bench in the morning, but it didn't fit in their car. And now it's here in the lobby of the building. Yeah. So I was just in a tram, and a few stops before I exited, there was a lady coming in and she inspired me for the following lyrics. Like a corpse, ugly till eternity. Like a corpse. Over here. So anyway, we're back at HQ. And yeah, got a couple of minutes to spare before meeting up with Jenn Renae. That will be fun. And we boarded another tram. That's right, we. Guess who? Hey Jen! Hello! Enjoying Amsterdam so far?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Well, we're going to Leidse Square right now. So that should be fun as well.
Sounds good.
Yep. Good view of Leidse Square and everything. Time to show some YouTubers around. And that's from the Apple Store. Free entrance.
Wait a second. No. I mean.
Right.
That is for you. That is my heart. Yes, I can die happy now because I got kissed by an angel. Thanks, man. Hey, yeah. Hey man, you want to make a picture? Cool, yeah. Then you go show Santa what you want for Christmas. A knife and a tennis ball. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yes. Hey. You wussy! Just be sure a strange woman is following you! And guys, and if you believe it or not, mates, if you believe it or not, that's the way I make my living! Yeah! And man, it's Amsterdam, isn't it? Yeah! Wait a second. Oh.
Alright, so that's not supposed to do that. And we can see Windows XP booting up there in the... yeah. Would it work? Logging on. And that guy next to it. Hey, it's a mouse. What would that be, working on such a large screen? And then imagine to be sitting right there on the near the Rembrandt, you know, wirelessly connected to that screen. Okay, and there are the commercials again. Okay, bye. So yeah, Rembrandt Square.
There needs to be more little table vendors around here right now. I love bartering with people.
Yeah.
I gotta get the best price.
And And what kind of a tour guide would I be if I didn't bring my friends to the coffee company? So across the street in the bank building there's like lemmings and Sonic. Yeah. Look at that painter. Instead of using steps, he's using stilts. Ceiling painting never got that interesting before.
They just kind of chill out there, like, what's up? You got more? I mean, yeah, I followed a pack of stoners for a mile.
So this is interesting in the concrete. Right. And we're just chilling here on the Koningsplein. So, what do you think of Amsterdam so far?
Loving
I
it.
peed in one of those urinals.
Right.
It was a fantastic experience, one that I will take with me everywhere.
I'm sure you will. And you, Jen?
I'm having a good time. I'm loving it. I love being here.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll continue having some good times here. So, Jen, you want to see the dark shadows?
The witch?
The dark shadows?
Not really.
Wise decision.
I think so. I'd rather see Avengers. That'd be much better.
Nederlandstraat overstappen op stad en
And now we're gonna have Kapsalon. Yeah, at Döner Plaza, of course. So here we go, guys. Kapsalon. Let's see you again, Jen. Is this your first time, Kapsalon?
Very first.
Well, enjoy.
If I can get some. Okay, there we go.
I think that segment of video is going to make it to food porn.
Probably. Well,
Sexy lady eating.
awesome. So, itadakimasu. And that's it for Jenn and Dan tonight. Hello, Chibi. Hello, Chibi. Back at HQ. Oh, yes. And she's happy as can be. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. And today I got an awesome gift. Check this. You can probably already guess what's in it. The containing box is larger than the boxes they give out in here in Europe. But yeah, and it's still the old logo. Yeah, collector's item. With only several millions of these printed, it's a real collector's item. Anyway, the content, guys, the content. Look at this city mug of Calgary. Wow, it's a cowboy, Canadian cowboy. Is that a Mountie? Yeah, that's cool. Checking the back. Ah, that's Calgary. Awesome. Yeah. So, thank you guys so much. This is really awesome. Yeah. Starbucks City Mugs for the win. Or would you rather have me do the Japanese pose? Well, at least you saw them both. And so did Chibi. Yep, happiness round 2, Chibi. Happiness round 2. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hey, cheerio.